Just another regular day for me here at Goa, and I've been thinking since morning about how to spend my day. And I've just decided that I'm going to do some motor repair works, not on my Bullet. Instead, I'm going to be working on a Honda Activa scooter we have here at the hostel. The scooter seems to have a kicker problem. What I mean is, like, the kicker is quite jammed, so I'm just going to open up the kicker unit and try to understand the problem and maybe fix it. What I'm going to do first here is I'm going to lift the seat cover and remove this unit here so that I get to see what's actually inside. I can do that by removing the screws here that you can see. Once I remove these screws, uh, I can have a clear look about what's actually inside, and also it would be easy for me to remove this unit here, the kicker unit here. So the problem I was talking about, that is, whenever you do the kicker is getting jammed. I'll show you what's happening. So I'm just going to give it a kick. See that? So whenever you do a kick start, the kicker is supposed to kick back, but with the scooter it's just getting jammed. So like I said, I need to check out what's the problem inside and try to fix it maybe. So this is what it looks like inside a Honda Activa. Yeah, that's the engine there. So what I need to do now is I need to get this unit out, and for that I need to remove some screws. I can see close to 4 to 5 screws which have to be removed. So let's get going. The knob you see here is the kicker knob. This is the one which has to be removed, cleaned, oiled and greased. So that is what I'm going to do right now. So how do I take this out? It's pretty easy. You just push down the kicker and this knob would be released. So I've removed this and I'm going to oil this a bit and kind of remove the dirt from here. Now I am done oiling the parts, and the only thing I have to do right now is wait on this one. And it's been a sunny day and a bit of hard work for me, so I think it doesn't hurt to have a cold beer while I start this one. So yeah, cheers.